Hello. So I've been trying to find a good tabletop tripod or a vlogging tripod for my Lumix S9 and S5. And right now I'm using these tripod legs that I got with the Zhiyun Weeble S. I've attached a simple ball head mount on top of it, and it's good enough, but it's still like kind of not really good, but it's good enough. It honestly is good enough, and it's easy to operate. It's very sturdy, but still I was looking to find an actual tripod that's made for vlogging or is a tabletop tripod. So I came across this, the Ulanzi MT 44, and as it says, it's an extendable vlog tripod. And when you open it, you get the tripod and a sticker and a user manual inside it. The S5 with the cage and the 50mm lens weighs about 1230 grams. That's 1 kg and 230 grams. And this tripod, Ulanzi MT 44, is rated for 1.5 kgs. So let's use it and see how this will fare when it comes to using it with the S5, because if it can take the weight of S5, it will be able to take the weight of S9, which is comparatively lighter than the S5. There we go. I've tightened it as much as I could. This is also tight, but this is not stable. You can see that it leans right and left, and I have not extended it yet. So MT44 is not good enough for cameras that could weigh in excess of 1 kg. You can see that it'll just lean to whatever direction I'll tilt it in, and it jerks kind of. So I think this makes more sense. It's not very stable, so I cannot trust it with my camera. It'll probably break, and no matter how much I tighten it, it opens up there. It always jerks. It's not very stable, and right now we have not yet extended it. If we will, then it'll jerk more. So I would suggest that you buy something else, not MT44. I saw a lot of reviews and people were like, it's a good tripod, it's a good tripod. It's not a good tripod, especially for cameras weighing over 1 kg. Okay, that's it for the video.